Ngumzuzu abantu baseKapa kanye nezivakasha bebewubheke ngabomvu. Ukukhuza ibuya kwalomcimbi kwemukelwe abancane nabadala. Ngisho amazinga aphezulu okushisa awazange alivimbe isasasala lomcimbi.
It's very exciting, and like she said, they grew up. I'm the mom. No, I'm a mommy, and we used to come every year, even when they were small. So it's very exciting, preparing the night before, the meats and the stuff.
Amaqembu angama-29 angena emigwaqeni yaseKapa. Kusuka ku-Handover Street eDistrict 6 badlula ku-Band Parade, basho phakathi emigwaqeni wase-Ibuyile Street enkabeni yedolobha, baqhubeka baze bafika ku-Wall Street ebuya.
And there's a real Oriental flavor to our music. Luminaries such as Brand, Ibrahim Abdullah, Jonathan Butler, they've all been proponents of this Guma beat.
Iziphathimandla zethi lo mcimbi umqoka kwezokuvakasha nokubungaza ukunotha kwamagugu edolobha nezwe.
The restaurants in the CBD, visitors coming, not just local, not just national, but international people who are staying in hotels or standing in the streets. People camped out for 2 nights to have front row viewing of this particular event.
Amanye amaqembu anamalunga acela enkulunganeni namakhulu amahlanu. Abanye babo sebeneminyaka eyishumi beyingxenye yawo.
I was on the age of 8 years old when I started with Beach Boys. They was established in Athlone. I'm the age of 57 now, and I'm still in the Coons, and that's my culture.
Imisindo yezigubhu inandise emigwaqeni yedolobha kwaze kwahlwa njengoba kuwusiko.